that. Let's welcome it, Samit Chauhan, technical analyst at Angel Broking as well. Samit, welcome to the show. What's your call with regards to Bharti Infratel? Good strength coming in with regards to Friday's session, and if you pull up a 5-day chart as well, we have seen, a good performance on that front. In fact, the 52-week high is around 355, and 280 is where the stock closed. What's your call on this one? I think we've just lost Samit as well. In fact,
Samit Chauhan is also with us. Samit, what are the stocks on your radar this morning?
See, out of three, two would be on the long side. KSCL, recovery seeds, which certainly looks good. It has been bucking the trend on Friday, and since last couple of days, we have seen some encouraging signs. On Thursday, the stock managed to first surpass a small inverse head and shoulder pattern, and so now it's on the verge of a breakout of yet another larger, bullish cup and handle pattern. So looking at the volume activity, it has already surpassed its twice of its average daily last 10 days volume. So overall setup is quite good, and from here on we would expect this outperformance to continue in Kaveri seeds. One can go long at current level, target would be around 622, and one can keep a stop loss around 576. Apart from this, Indigo, this has been one of the outperforming stock within the aviation space. Stock certainly looks good. On Thursday we saw good bump up followed by some kind of subdued movement, but we would rather interpret this as a good buying opportunity. Stock is on the verge of a breakout. We would expect this stock heading towards 1235 over the next few days. One can go long at current level, keep a stop loss around 1138. On the short side, Tata Elxsi, within the mid-cap IT space, this has been one of the underperforming stocks since last 3 to 4 months. There has been a series of low top, lower bottom formation seen on this counter. Since last couple of days, the stock has resumed its downtrend, and it's now approaching its 200-day weekly moving average. So one can go short at current level. Minor bounce back would be a good shorting opportunity. Target would be around 882. One can go short with a stop loss of 941.
Okay, Shrikant.
Right, Samit, one quick question on the charts. How is Kaveri Seeds and SL Tech looking to you?
No, Kaveri seed certainly looks good, and in fact in my recommendation list also I have included this counter. So we are quite upbeat. The stock is now on the verge of a breakout, so we would expect continuation of this ongoing momentum. One can go long at current level. Our immediate target would be around 622, so one can go long with a stop loss of 576. Apart from this, HCL Tech is concerned, the stock has been consolidating, has been forming some kind of base around 920, 940, and on Friday we saw good positive traction. However, 980, 985 seems to be a very strong resistance. So if any kind of strength has to come in this particular counter, the stock needs to surpass this strong hurdle of 980, 985 convincingly. If that happens, then yes, you could see the stock heading towards 1020, 1030 over the next few days.
Right, that's the word coming from Samit. And now let me welcome Vinit Bowling. Take a chart view here. Samit, coming to you. Both stocks, Adani Port, in fact, while we are talking, Adani is down now 9%. Bring the Adani Port stock once again, it's down 10%. As we were speaking, there is more selling which is coming to Adani Ports again, and that's 13%, and there is some serious selling happening here. It's now down 13%. Samit, quick word on Adani Ports. What are the charts telling you? And second, Maruti.
See, clearly, as far as price action is concerned, it is now clearly seeing on charts. Since last 5 days, this stock has been declining gradually, and today we are seeing a complete nosedive now. So it would be very difficult to trade this counter now. We are seeing some wild moves, but looking at the overall price development, this stock is likely to face some kind of selling pressure, and it is likely to head towards its near-term swing lows, that is in the zone of 310 to 305.